bowels.
Uh-huh.
It builds all way. Pain in the back, pain in the joints. And like for the man now, right round them place at the hip, the pain is the back. Like you have a pain in the back, you can drink it.
This is all over Jamaica?
It don't go in some places it don't go, you know, and some places it go.
In St. Anne's Bay, me hear it go
Yes,
there. Okay.
This is the Medina. Very good for back pain.
Is it good to drink every day for tea or just
for a certain amount of mornings.
Okay.
Like maybe 5 morning or evening, if you have the pain. But this and the noon can work together, you know.
Okay. So you drink two of them?
You can put the both of them together and boil them.
Noon and Medina.
And Medina.
And
Yeah, man.
it really
work, man. Yes, man. It works,
so
man.
me must drink some for the whole week when me there.
Yeah, man. You can drink a little.
Alright, me drink some up at St. Anne's. Over there at St. Catherine. So I go drink some, I go Manchester and St. Mary.
Yes. Yeah,
Every morning, Medina and Noonie together.
If you want to. You can do them separate, but I don't like drink one bush. I just don't like one bush to boil and drink, like for tea.
You mix them when you want?
Yeah, for tea. I mix them like a little piece of the Medina, a little piece of the Noonie, and boil it for tea. But definitely if you go use it for a medicine and you know what the complaint is like, you just use the Medina alone.
Okay.
Like suppose for instance you get up like tomorrow and you feel you have a back pain. And you never really have that back pain. If it's even gas, you just boil a cup right in the morning, 2 cups, and then you drink one in the morning, you put it down. And in the evening now you just strain off the other cup and drink where you want to warm it over, you want to add it. The stronger the better it is. So I'm going to give you the Noonie, I'm going to give you the Medina, I'm going to give you the sweet basil. So that is coral.
Coral?
Yeah. I grew up with it as coral, while you have some people call it Shirley bush. So maybe a lot of people may know it by Shirley, but the right name for it is coral. This is for arthritis pain and asthma.
Okay, so.
And the pink flowers, really.
Arthritis pain and asthma?
And asthma.
Coral.
Coral book. The bees live with bees enjoy it. The bees are living to this part of the bush. Now you get this part.
I'm going to bring it outside and see it good. I could bring it outside for a second.
Hey, Kaya, you know, there's something in the water boy till it get hard, you know. Come on, man. The coconut no greater yet.